Introducing Mercury 2 by Inception. What if your AI could think faster than ever, write exactly the format you need, and blend language with images, sound, and video, all at half the cost? Meet the future, meet Mercury 2. Welcome to the future of AI. Welcome to Mercury 2, the breakthrough diffusion powered large language model from Inception. I'm your AI guide, and today I'll walk you through the game changing features that set Mercury 2 apart. 1. Speed and efficiency. Unlike traditional autoregressive models that generate one token at a time, Mercury 2 leverages diffusion to produce many tokens in parallel. The result, several fold speedups, and costs less than half of conventional LLMs. 2. Fine-grained output control. Mercury 2 gives you precise control over both schema and semantic constraints. Need a JSON response that follows a strict format, or a paragraph that adheres to a specific tone? Just specify the constraints, and Mercury 2 delivers every time. 3. Unified multimodal paradigm. One model, many modalities. Mercury 2 seamlessly blends language with audio, images, and video. Imagine a single prompt that generates a caption, a matching soundtrack, and a storyboard all in one go. Scalable enterprise deployment built for Fortune 500 scale. Mercury 2 runs efficiently on modern hardware, delivering enterprise-grade reliability and low latency, even under heavy workloads. 5. World-class leadership and talent. Mercury 2 is the product of a visionary team, Stefano Ermon, co-inventor of diffusion models and flash attention; Aditya, co-inventor of Node 2 VEC and decision transformers; and Volodymyr Kuleshov, former CTO of Afresh Technologies. Together with engineers from Google, DeepMind, Meta AI, Microsoft AI, and OpenAI, they've pushed the boundaries of what AI can do. Real-world impact. From accelerating content creation to powering intelligent assistants, Mercury 2 is already transforming workflows across industries, media, finance, healthcare, and more. 7. Mercury 2 writes this script. And here's a fun meta moment. This very script was co-written by Mercury 2. Its ability to understand context, maintain narrative flow, and adapt to your style showcases the very capabilities we've just explored. 8. Call to action. Ready to experience the next generation of AI? Visit inception.ai/Mercury2 to learn more, request a demo, or start integrating Mercury 2 into your own products today. The future of intelligent creation is already here, powered by diffusion, shaped by innovation. Join us and let Mercury 2 accelerate your ideas. See you on the cutting edge.